Will you come clean today, Paula Vennells?
But she didn't, at least not to the satisfaction of lawyers.
That's humbug.
Ms Vennells, you're not stupid.
I mean, this is La La Land, isn't it?
On the third and final day of questioning for the former post office boss, it was bruising.
Looking under that rock, you're going to find a problem. It's going to devastate the post office, ruin it. You couldn't let that happen, could you, Miss Vennells?
I loved the post office. I gave it... At no time did I put the post office over the cases that were brought forwards.
Ms Vennells, that's absolute rubbish, isn't it?
She was also criticised for blaming others, but at times there was no way out for Paula Vennells.
What happened to Mr Castleton is unforgivable.
And you instigated no investigation into why £321,000 of public money was used to crush him and grind him into the dirt.
I agree with what you're saying.
Listening, the victim himself, Lee Castleton, made bankrupt after being wrongly accused of stealing.
At the time, I felt I was being crushed and ground into the floor, so I'm sure that it was, and I've seen documents that have used my case against other postmasters, which I feel heartbreakingly sad for, that I wasn't able to protect us all.
That's not on you.
She was also questioned over whether she tried to suppress the Horizon IT scandal to make sure the privatisation of Royal Mail went through.
You sent an email. I have earned my keep on this one. You knew that the Royal Mail Group was responsible for the legacy of those prosecutions together with the Post Office. You really had earned your keep on that one, hadn't you? You kept the lid on it.
That was not at all what I was doing.
Contain negative press, protect the business, hide Horizon issues. That's the truth, isn't it?
No, Mr Henry, that isn't the truth.
Front and centre, victim Jo Hamilton, hearing herself criticised in an email.
Jo Hamilton lacked passion and admitted false accounting on TV.
And then a direct apology.
I'm deeply sorry that I was so rude to you in that email.
Did the mask slip in this email, Mrs Vennells? Did it? Did the mask slip?
I made a mistake in this email.
I think she's sorry because it ended up on the screen. And if the roles had been reversed, I would have been dying of embarrassment. So, yeah, I think I had an apology because she couldn't do anything else.
It's been relentless here for Paula Vennells. Clear to all, she did love the post office, but perhaps too much. This isn't the end, though, for her, with further possible investigations. Remember, the Metropolitan Police have been closely watching all of this too.
Also watching Keith Bell on, for him, a historic day. His convictions being overturned, finally, by government legislation.
The hurt and the misjustice that's been handed out and the years that we've lost can never be handed back. But the quashing of the conviction is a fantastic day for us.
Despite some closure for those exonerated, the battle for truth isn't over.
Do you expect to be arrested, Miss Vennells?
Paula Vennells will be hoping hers is. Adele Robinson, Sky News.